What is up, loves? It's Nay Rose here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And this is part 2 of this wig that I made. This is a U-part wig. If you didn't watch the video on how I installed it and made the wig, then make sure you guys go check that out first and then come back to this video. But this is a video on how I cut it, styled it, blended it, all that good stuff. So we're about to get right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I'm looking a little bit crazy because I haven't blended out my leave out part yet. But we are going to start off by cutting the hair. So this is going to be an asymmetrical bob. So this is going to be the shorter side that I'm cutting right here. And then I'm going to make it long on the other side. So it's really like simple because I'm only having to cut like one side and the back. Now when I got to the back side, I did go off camera into the bathroom and held up a mirror just so I can see the back better and make sure your girl wasn't looking crazy. Because obviously I couldn't really like see from the front. So yeah, but other than that, that's all I really did to cut it. So to style it, all I did was took my spray bottle, which just had water in it, and I'm actually using the Green Collection by Curls to style my hair because y'all, okay, so I have a video up on my channel. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. But I used this collection on my natural hair and it worked wonders. Like, it was bomb. So I was like, why not use it for my weave? So it gave me the wet look that I wanted to achieve, and yeah, that's all I really did. So once I got to the leave out part, I just did the exact same thing, and I took my Tailored Beauty styling gel and I just used that to lay it down a little bit flatter and also lay my edges, and that was it. So I did follow it up with just an oil to keep that shine in my hair. And once I lay it down with a scarf and take it off, it is a little bit flat because, I mean, you know, we just laid it down. So all I do is go through and separate it and fluff it out a little bit. And that is it, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you guys for your love and support. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram to keep up with all my giveaways, all my updated hairstyles, and all of that. But enough rambling. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.